Today, we're going to draw a joyful summer scene. Luan and Chippy are splashing and laughing together. Let's start with the background. Draw the curvy water and grassy ground. Add gentle ripples on the water to show it's moving. Luan is having fun in the water. Let's draw her head, body, rainbow horn, and her happy smile. You can download the drawing guide and color along with us. Now draw Chippy. He's jumping with his arms up and water splashing everywhere. He's saying, "So cool!" Behind the rock, a little bunny is peeking out, smiling at them. Maybe she wants to join too. Let's draw the sun and a couple of fluffy clouds. Maybe some bubbles too, for a real summer feel. It's time to color. You can follow my colors or use your own favorites. This is your magical summer scene. Let's color the water first. Use blue to make it look cool and refreshing. The sky can be light blue or any other color you love. If you haven't downloaded the outline yet, the link is below. Now let's color Luan's hair. Use your favorite bright colors and layer them like a rainbow. It'll make her look magical and full of joy. Chippy is warm brown. Add rosy cheeks to show how happy he is. The bunny's body is creamy yellow, with pink ears and cheeks. Don't forget the little blue flower on her head. The rock is gray, and you can add green grass and heart-shaped leaves around. The sun is bright yellow. We'll leave the clouds white, so they look soft and fluffy, like cotton candy in the sky. You did it! What a fun and colorful summer scene. Luan, Chippy, and Bunny all say, "Great job!" The sunshine in your heart makes the colors shine brighter.